So hello everyone, let us solve another LeetCode problem, and the problem name is reverse words with the same vowel count. So you are given a string S consisting of lowercase English words, each separated by a single space. Determine how many vowels appear in the first word, then reverse each of the following words that has the same vowel count as of the first word, and leave all the remaining words as it is. In the end, return the resulting string. And then they have said that what are vowels? Vowels are A, E, I, O, U. So what the question is saying, that they have given some string. Let's say we take this first example, cat and mice. So this is the string that we have given. So first what we need to do, we need to count how many vowels are present in the first word. In this case, the vowel in the first word is 1, that is this A. Now after that, all the words that we have, we just need to count how many vowels in these words are, and if their vowel counts matches the first word's vowel count, then we need to reverse that particular word, and in the end return the resulting string. So this was the first word that we have already taken for the vowel count. We won't consider this. Apart from this, we will be checking each and every word. So we are at this word, this is A and D. So here we have only one vowel, that is A, so that means we will be reversing this word. So reversed word would be D and A. Then we come across this word, this is M-I-C-E, mice. Here we have two vowels, I and E. So this is not equal to the vowel count, so we won't reverse this. We don't have any word left, so our resulting string will be what? S equals to cat, D and A, mice. This would be the resultant string. And if you look at the output, this is the exact this is the exact output that we are getting, cat, DNA and mice. So how will be solving this problem? This is again pretty much an easy problem, just an implementation base. So what we can do, let us take this example only, cat and mice. So we don't need to, if we don't need to take care about the spaces and all that. So what I have done, I have created a vector of string initially, vector of string, which is named as words, and I have just separated these words by spaces and inserted those words inside this words vector. So let's say how our words vector would look like. Words will be nothing but cat, comma, and comma, mice. So this I have created after I have got the vowel count of this first word. Now after I have got the vowel count for this particular word, I will just be iterating from the first index and check whether this word has the vowel count equal to the vowel count of the first word or not. If it is, I'll just reverse this word. So in this case it would become DNA, and this will not change. So our final words array would look something like this: cat, comma, DNA, comma, mice. Now in the end, you don't need to return the vector of string, you need to return the string. So what we can do, we can create a resultant string, and just after each and every word we can add a space and just append the entire word. So this would be our resulting string initially, which will be empty. We will go to this first word, our rest will become what? Cat, and after that we have DNA, but before pushing DNA we will just add a space in between. Then we will be having DNA. Then before iterating to the next word, we will again add a space, and then we will add the next word or append the next word, that is mice. So in the end, our resultant string would look something like this: cat, DNA and mice. So this would be the resultant string, and this is how we'll be following with the code. So let us see the code now. This is the exact implementation what I have just told you. This is a simple problem, nothing much, just implementation based. So let us see the code now. So initially I will be pointing to 0 because we need to first count how many vowels are there in the first word. So this will be doing that, count vowel in first word. So count vowel in first word. So this is not anything to explain, just comparing each and every character whether they are A, E, I, O, U or not. If it is, we are incrementing the count, and in the end we will have the count as the final vowel count in the first word. Then we have declared this string of vector vector of string I mean, which will be the words, and we are just pushing each and every word inside this words array which are separated by space. And yeah, then we are just iterating on each and every word. We are again taking each and every word's vowel count. We'll be starting from the first indexed word, because 0th index we have already calculated. We don't need to reverse that obviously. So for each and every word we are just calculating how many vowels it has. Now if it matches the initial vowel count, that means we need to reverse that word. So we'll be reversing that word, and in the end we are just creating an answer string, which will be again like just converting the vector of string which we had separated by, like we had the vector of string, right? So we don't need to return the vector of string, we need to return the answer in string. So that's why we are again converting this vector of string into string by separated by spaces. So that is what we are doing. After each, we are just appending each and every word, and after each and every word we are just adding a space. And since we are adding a space after each and every word, we'll be having an extra space in the end, so we need to pop that, because that would give us the wrong answer. So yeah, in the end we are just returning this final string answer. So I hope you understand this solution. Thank you for watching.